No question about that. Let's get a check of that forecast on the 6th right now. Chelsea, good morning.
Yeah, less than 24 hours from now, that snow begins. I feel like we've been talking about it for almost the entire week now and really honing in on those extreme snowfall totals that we'll be dealing with through the entire day tomorrow. When all is said and done, there may be spots that end up with 2 feet or more of snow. This is a model that's put out by the National Weather Service of storm severity. And what you're looking at here along coastal Massachusetts, even parts of upper Narragansett Bay and along the Rhode Island coastline, we're talking about an extreme impact, basically as bad as it gets when we look at that index there as we head through the day tomorrow. So this is because of the heavy snow that will be falling, the gusty winds, the high tide cycles, maybe dealing with some coastal erosion, coastal flooding, some splashover as well. I think that's a bigger concern for the eastern Mass coastline, but even up through Narragansett Bay, that will be an issue with our high tide cycles tomorrow. A major winter storm on the way. We all know it. We're all preparing for it. You do have today to still get things done. It's overcast. There's a few flurries around, but overall a quiet weather day ahead of us. The steadier snow, the more widespread snow starts to move in after midnight, and the worst of the conditions, the intensity of the snow that's going to be the heaviest, happens through tomorrow mid to late morning, through tomorrow afternoon, into tomorrow evening before things start to wind down. You're looking at a few light snow showers outside today. Overnight, that steadier snow, but again, through the entire day tomorrow, heavy snow, gusty winds, visibility down to 0 at times. So you want to be off the roads tomorrow. We've given you a few days time to prepare for this, to plan to be at home all day tomorrow. Hopefully you have everything you need. Again, you can get a few things done today, but from tomorrow morning, start to finish, you're going to want to be off the roads. Overnight, that heavy snow comes to an end in the evening hours, and the wind is still with us a bit through Sunday as well. Nothing like tomorrow, but still a breezy day. Those snow totals have continued to go up and up as we've continued to narrow down on that track. The storm forming today, so it isn't even officially formed yet, but we are looking at a minimum, on the low end of things, a foot of snow. Most of the area getting 1.5 feet of snow. You look into eastern Mass, closer to 2 feet of snow. And with some snow banding that sets up tomorrow, there may be some spots that come in over 24 inches. That being said, it's going to be tough tomorrow to get an accurate snowfall measurement because of those gusty winds. Snow is going to be blowing and drifting. There will be spots where it looks like there are feet and feet of snow piling up, and other spots that may look a little bit less. It's going to be a light, fluffy snow, so that wind is going to blow it around all over the place. Upper 20s and low 30s outside right now. Winds are relatively light, but as I was just saying, the winds overnight and into tomorrow end up coming in 45 to 60 miles per hour. There could be a few gusts for far eastern Mass, even higher than that. We are looking at a concern for power outages since it is a lighter, fluffier snow. That snow isn't going to be weighing down branches and trees and power lines, but a gust of 45 to 60 miles per hour is enough to bring branches down or power lines down. So also keep that in mind. There are some concerns for power outages and bitterly cold temperatures with this storm, so that's a concern as well. Today, light snow showers, light flurries around. Overall, it's just an overcast day. These two pieces of energy, the snow off to the west, the rain showers down off the Carolina coast, coming together, forming that massive nor'easter that we'll be dealing with through the entire day tomorrow. This is about 10 o'clock tonight. A few light snow showers out there by 3 a.m. Snow is more widespread. Snow intensity picking up with the wind as the morning progresses. Noontime, incredibly heavy snow falling, potentially up to 3 inches per hour at times. And that continues through tomorrow afternoon and evening before things start to wind down. That is why we have a winter storm warning right now for most of the area. Blizzard warning for far eastern Mass. That starts at 7 a.m. tomorrow. The winter storm warning at midnight tonight and goes until early Sunday morning. That blizzard warning may end up being extended and coming inland a bit as we continue to narrow down models today. Heavy snow, wind tomorrow, clearing out, but still breezy and cold on Sunday. Guys?
All right, Chelsea.